Sahau hapo. Weka kwa mfuko. The first, just a moment. Just
to be able to attend court because he is sick. I wish to make an application to postpone the plea on behalf of the first accused.
is it possible? He's not there, I think.
To postpone plea to another date. If you allow me, I
Even
will.
for the one present.
On behalf of the second
Yes, Mr. Wanyanga. Yes.
Tobias, alias Ishmael, have been charged with obtaining money by false pretenses, contrary to section 313 of the Penal Code. Particulars of the offence are as follows. On the diverse dates between the 1st of May 2023 and the 9th of May 2023 at Nairobi County within the Republic of Kenya, with intent to defraud, jointly obtained USD 260,400, which is equivalent to Kenya shillings 35,737,296 from Bernard Shiaundu Aete by falsely pretending that you're in a position to sell him 400 kilograms of gold bars, a fact you knew to be false. Patroba, Odhiambo, Tobias, is this true or not true? On count number 3, you have been charged with acquisition of proceeds of crime, contrary to section 4, subsection A, as read with section 16, subsection 1 of the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act number 9 of 2009. Particulars of the offence are as follows. On diverse dates between the 1st of May 2023 and the 9th of May 2023 at Nairobi County within the Republic of Kenya, jointly you acquired a sum of Kenya shillings USD 260,400, which is equivalent to Kenya shillings 35,737,296 from Bernard Shiaunda Aete, whilst at the time of the acquisition you knew or had reason to believe that the same formed part of or was proceeds of crime, to wit, money obtained by false pretenses. On count number 5, you have been charged with use of proceeds of crime, contrary to section 4, subsection B, as read with section 16, subsection 1 of the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act number 9 of 2009. Particulars of the offence are as follows. On the diverse dates between the 1st of May 2023 and the 9th of May 2023 at Nairobi County within the Republic of Kenya, jointly you transacted a sum of Kenya shillings, you transacted a sum of USD 260,400, which is equivalent to Kenya shillings 35,737,296, whilst at the time you knew or had reason to believe that the same formed part of or was proceeds of crime, to wit, money obtained from Bernard Shiaunda Aete, intended for purchase of gold bars. Patroba, Odhiambo, Tobias, is this true or not?
The second accused person on counts numbers 1, 3, and 5. Mr. Wanyanga. Have a seat. Thank you.
And Your Honor, it has forced me to instruct the investigating officer to put in an affidavit on the issue of bail bond. Your Honor, we were
It's not this one.
present before you was admitted to police court on the 12th of August 2025. And the accused person present before you has religiously attended before the ailing, not once, not twice, but on 6 different occasions when the ailing have extended the bond terms and the cash pay. The last being yesterday when he informed the accused person to appear before him today. It is thus inconceivable for the same IO to purport running to 2 months for you to be invited to defer the hearing of one. Your Honor, this matter has lingered on the head of the accused person for quite too long. And for him to submit himself before you, he wants closure so that we are in a process that will be able to determine the guilt or otherwise of the accused person. In the absence of any opposition, whether submitted on oath by the IO before you today, or through an affidavit before you admitted. But even if they wanted to do an opposition, knowing that this matter was coming today, they would have by this time filed an affidavit. We thus urge you to proceed and hear us on the issue of bond terms for consideration. The said cash bill is still in the hands of the police. But we are ready to be able to add the application. Because it's kept that. And is the first one, the first one concerned to be able to run the burial arrangement as the person and that process is happening tomorrow. We're hoping that the court is minded to hear us today and be able to post the terms and attend to it. The event that there is the family, and then he proceed to allow us to continue hearing the terms that are initially granted by the police, and going backwards, allowing.
The stepdad can,
Yeah, the immediate follower is father.
as an uncle. An uncle or a stepdad?
I'm told it's a stepdad on account that is the one who took his mother upon the death of his mother.
his doctor has advised that he seeks a delicate operation out of the country, and at the moment he is organizing to travel for that purpose. Your Honor,
Slowly.
he's organizing himself to travel out of the country for a delicate medical procedure. Your Honor, the first accused person is a practicing advocate of his court. He is in active practice with a known physical office and residential address. He is not a flight risk. The first accused person was admitted to police bail on 12th of August 2025. Which bail has been extended severally, at least 5 times. And he has always faithfully attended for the extension, except on 15th of October, which is just about a week ago, when he was unable to attend owing to the circumstances of his sickness. We project that he should be available at least within the next 30 days to take plea before you. So we request that the board pray for another 30 days, give us a date in 30 days to appear before you for plea. In the meantime, we could continue to be released on the current bail terms issued by the police. That is all.
his client needs the sensitive surgery that he's stating. Your Honor, has he told us exactly where the accused person, the whereabouts of the first accused person? And Your Honor, he says that the accused needs 30 days. The time stated is too long, considering it's only for plea taking. And the only setting of the bond terms. I pray that the first accused persons avails himself tomorrow for plea taking. And setting of bond terms. As far as for the conditions of bond of the release of the second accused persons, the bond set by the investigating officer Your Honor, I pray that, there's been a change of circumstance. That is my predicament. Your Honor, I pray he remains in custody until the bond terms are set tomorrow. That's all.
Last evening, the first accused person was unaware that he would be required to attend court to take plea. So, in a sense, we are saying that was a very short notice. If he had been aware earlier, he would have made effort in good time to supply the medical evidence to demonstrate that he is sick. That notwithstanding, I undertake to supply those documents within the short time possible. The prosecution is arguing that the whereabouts of the first accused person is unknown. The first accused person is currently at the Aga Khan hospital, where he is being Magistrate 2 as it prepares to travel out of the country for more specialized treatment that is not available locally. Is 30 days too long to take leave? Perhaps 30 days is too short for someone in the condition that the court has had the accused person is in. If the prosecution could work some miracle that so that the accused person, the first accused person recovers today or tomorrow, we would make him available in court for plea as soon as the next day. Sadly, Your Honor, it's not within our power to heal. That power, God alone has it. All we can say is that we pray for the accused person to recover as soon as possible, and then we will attend court as soon as possible to take plea. We are talking about a person who is an officer of this court. And is as interested as anyone else to advance the cause of justice. That would be all.
Outpatient.
It's an inpatient.
That is not documented.
Very well, as I have indicated, Your Honor, it's a short notice, but I believe we have to apply to the doctors to give you those documents. We are talking about someone who is frail in bed, in the hospital bed. It's
Yeah,
frail.
I must have a reason for believing you. The only reason I can have for
Because
believing you.
the first accused person is an officer of the court. Please,
So,
let's
so
trust our
let's avoid
professional
getting
police.
emotional. Let's deal with facts.
Yes,
Not emotions.
I undertake to supply the documents. as soon as
By when?
What is the purpose of appearing tomorrow when it's not there? Can I supply it next week? Your Honor?
Okay. By the prosecution and the defense. The prosecution has sought time to put in an affidavit by the investigating officer on the issue of bail bond pending trial. The defense counsel for the second accused has contended that the defense be allowed to proceed with the question of bail and bond today, and he has submitted that the second accused person has been out on police bail and has lost his stepfather. He has submitted that the second accused be allowed to be out on police cash bail if his application is not heard today, so that he comes back next week for hearing of the application. From the record, there is no dispute that the accused persons have been out on police cash bail, as copies of police bail receipts are also attached to the charge sheet filed herein. Those receipts relate to bail pending charge. Upon registration of charge, the prosecution bears the burden of proving existence of any compelling reason why the the second accused who is before court should not be released on bail or bond pending trial. The prosecution counsel has indicated in her submissions that there are issues which have been raised by the complainant, which has caused her to require the investigating officer to file an affidavit so that she can argue the application tomorrow. As already said, the duty of establishing existence of compelling reason under Article 49, Subarticle 1H of the Constitution lies upon the prosecution. It will therefore be improper exercise of discretion to direct the prosecution to proceed and argue the application on bail and bond at this stage. The court is obligated under Section 9 of the Victims Protection Act to consider views of the complainant. Hence, it will be an abrogation of the complainant's rights to deny the prosecution a chance to put in the affidavit mentioned. As for the request to have the second accused person continue enjoying the police cash bail till the application is heard, it is important to note that that would amount to making a decision on bail bond before hearing the parties' submissions on the same. No copy of burial permit has also been shown to the court to show that indeed there is a burial scheduled for tomorrow as submitted. The second accused person shall therefore be remanded in custody until 24th of October, that is tomorrow this year. The affidavit be filed and served upon the defense counsel by close of business today, that is 23rd of October 2025. With regard to the first accused person, he is not before the court and therefore is not available to take plea today. The advocate for the first accused has indicated that the first accused is at Aga Khan Hospital and that is preparing to fly out of Kenya for specialized treatment at an undisclosed place out of the country. No document has ever been availed to support the indication that the first accused is indeed unwell. Counsel for the first accused to avail medical documents, if any, tomorrow, 24th of October this year, so that the court is able to make an informed decision with regard to the first accused person. That is the end. Orders are corrected.
You know, we are almost there. You know, is it possible to then have my client remanded at hospital at the stand any?
You can take instructions before it's taken there.
You know, we don't know what they are doing. I think it's only asking that we be allowed to, I be allowed to have that gratitude.
Yes.
Because if I'm served, say, at 5, accessing my client in the hospital area might not be possible, but it might be possible if it is at
I get your point now. Any problem with that? Be remanded in custody at Capitol Hill Police Station.